What if your tractor could drive itself with sub-inch precision and perfectly leveling your land? The future of farming is not coming, it's already here. Meet the CANAMEK LeSteer Combo. LeSteer Combo is more than an auto steering system. It's a two-in-one precision agriculture solution, combining RTK auto steering and land leveling in a single intelligent platform. With 0.4-inch steering accuracy and 0.8-inch leveling accuracy, it delivers one of the highest precision levels available in North America. LeSteer uses powerful RTK technology. A fixed base station measures GPS errors and sends real-time corrections to your tractor. The result? Perfect lines. No overlap. No missed areas. With coverage of up to 10 miles, your entire field stays connected and ultra-accurate. LeSteer offers multiple guidance and leveling modes for any type of field. Straight A-B lines for precision planting, curved and circular patterns for orchards, contour and slope leveling for uneven fields. Even special modes like football field and custom designs. Switch modes instantly using the 10-inch HD Android touchscreen. LeSteer is the perfect choice for large-scale farmers, corn and potato growers, vineyards and orchards, uneven or sloped land, greenhouse operations. If precision, time, and profit matter to you, this system is built for your farm. LeSteer eliminates overlap, reduces fuel consumption, saves seed and fertilizer, and increases your yield. This isn't just an expense, it's one of the smartest investments you can make in your farm. If you're ready to take your farm to the next level of precision and profitability, now is the time. Contact us today and upgrade your tractor with the CANAMEK LeSteer Combo. Because smart farmers don't follow lines, they create them.